YouTube. Oh my god, my boys, what is good? So I was filming a video for y'all. I was about to start the video, and I started getting rained on with the boy. As you can see, we got this Supermoto and that Supermoto. We gonna check this one out. I got glasses on, by the way, because I don't have clear goggles yet for my thing, and I started getting poured on and my eyes just got clapped. But look at this thing, look at it. We made a week-long decision and we both popped out with Supermotos. What you know about it? Come on, bro. He's got better tires than me. As y'all know, my shit is completely bald, but he popped out. Yo, what year is it? 11. So a 2011 Husaberg FS 570. For y'all that don't know, KTM basically took over this bike. So this has basically all the KTM engineering in it before KTM took the engineering for themselves. So basically this was set up as a Supermoto from the factory. So I mean, everything that the dirt bike wouldn't have to make it better for the street, this bike does. When you hop on this bike, it's like so smooth on the road and everything, and the dude that had it took like super good care of it. But I mean, it's in super good condition. He had a pair of forged wheels on it that are bronze that look really good on it. I prefer the spoked Supermoto wheels just because I think they fit the like dirt bike look better. But dude, this thing is bad. I mean, FMF exhaust. I mean, he's got everything that you would want to do to it. Bigger pegs to make it easier. He's got lower gearing. It's set up a little more for top speed, which I'm not a huge fan of. I'd prefer the bigger sprocket like mine, so you could just wheelie every gear. But who knows, he might change it. But I mean, it's completely set up and it looks sick, and it's almost identical to the KTM, so it's pretty dope. Got the tag on, by the way, just because I've been having issues with cops on this bike for some reason. I've been riding this. I had no tag on my other bike for so long, never had an issue. Been riding around with this. I keep getting questioned and in trouble with this thing, so we put a tag on it just so we don't get bothered today. I'm not trying to hear nothing, but yeah, look at them back to back. I'm gonna film some clips for Instagram. If y'all don't follow the Instagram yet, I'm gonna pop it up right here. Go follow me on Instagram. We just hit 8,000 followers literally like a couple hours ago, so I appreciate y'all, everybody that comes to the YouTube from the Instagram. I love you guys. But yeah, we starting a Supermoto journey. I was wheelie on the way here, but it started raining. But my boy's pulling up. I'm gonna pop him up on Instagram once he gets here. I'll tag his page, but he has a lot that apparently he knows, and he's gonna take us there, and it's got good lighting, so we should be able to film some wheelie practice. Hopefully it's not completely flooded and we just start slipping everywhere, because I got no tread. So I'll update y'all in a little bit. Peace. The fuck, bro? Come on, bro. Look at this thing, bro. The stunted out R7. Come on, bro. This should look good. Is it a factory rotor or factory sprocket? Yeah. No. How many teeth did you go?
It's 2 up.
And you went down in the front or no? No. Damn.
62 at the house. It's just too big. I'll blow this thing up, run around town.
Damn, bro. This thing is nasty. What does it top out at now?
125.
What the fuck, bro? Oh, hell nah, bro. This shit look good, though. What year is it? 22? 23?
Yeah.
Nice.
Good luck.
Well, we got the bikes here. Let's see what we got. We're gonna get into. We're gonna go hit the lot. I'm gonna update y'all when we get there. We're gonna see if we can learn how to wheelie these bad boys the right way. But I'm gonna update y'all when I get here. By the way, I'm gonna pop his Instagram up on the screen so y'all can go follow him. He's got a nasty H2, an S1000 that got a little bit of hurt done to it right now. But we gonna update y'all. I'm gonna keep y'all updated. I'm gonna post his Instagram here. Make sure y'all go follow him in the comments. I'm gonna drop Caesar's Instagram here too, so y'all can go follow him, and we'll update y'all in a little. Peace.
That was a pop.
Was it? Fuck 'em. We straight. There was one at the gas station.
What's up?
There was one at the gas station. Yo, we out here really on the stunt bikes today, my boy. No girl. He's just literally just chilling. He's backpacking. He's backpacking a ghost. Bro's out here chilling. Yo, what is this light, bro? Yo, what's bro doing? Bro said, let me just pull up just in case. Get that bitch up. Yeah. Up there. Yeah, this is a nice ass light. And we got light over here. Oh God, this is nice. They got some nice light over here. Boys, if he loops. Bro, my brain does not let me comprehend. Drop the clutch, hit, keep the gas. That shit coming up though. Okay, his shit came up. Okay, this shit got enough. That shit was nice right there. That shit felt crazy, bro.
You got to about 4.5 Red Bull cans.
What? That's pretty high. 3 Red Bull cans.
About 4, yeah, something like that.
Damn.
We're
That's...
measuring wheelies in Red Bull cans now.
Huh?
We're measuring them in Red Bull cans tonight.
Bro, I swear to God, that one where I came up right there, bro, it felt like my tire was like straight. I was like, did I just hit 12 o'clock? Okay, that one felt a little bit better. That one felt better! The grind don't stop in the rain. Yo, we out here grinding in the rain, bro. I feel like I'm doing CSGO aim practice. Shit, boys, I am getting rained on. I got no goggles or glasses on, so my eyes are getting pelleted by rain, but the grind does not stop. Trying to get nice. God, get smoother with the throttle. I know, I chopped it. Fuck, bro. Yes! Let's go! Yo, we're up there, boy. Let's go. I'm gonna film you. Okay. Yeah! Get it up! Okay! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! This shit is so much funner than oh, funner? Did I just say funner? What the f am I talking about? So much more fun than high speed shit. Okay. Hey, his front wheel was slowing down. That joint was up there though. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we out here getting soaked just to become wheelie demons. Yeah. Yeah, that shit feels crazy. I'm like low-key down to wreck just because I'm hitting this shit. Oh! Brain's gotta let me. Oh my God, we're nice. Yo, Chris, check. Where you at, my boy? Hey, he finna come back to a demon, on God. Oh! Yo, hey, I'm nice, on God. Ah, I chased that one way too hard. And it's starting to rain harder, bro. Oh my God! Bro, that shit feels crazy. Did you see how high that shit was?
It was good.
Bro, that shit, I don't even see in front of me no more. When it's up, I can't see. That shit feels crazy, bro. Yeah! Boys, we are getting nice, on God, bro. We started sliding a little bit on the back right there. Hey boys, we are this is day one in the lot of practicing clutch ups. I literally have tried clutching up maybe 2 times before this. I was just power wheeling. Clutching up is so much cooler though. She said you good. Hold on, let me text her back. Let's text the girl back. Yes. Wheelies. Alright, she'll get the message. Doing this with no tread on the tires probably isn't the play, to be honest with you, but we send around here. We're gonna do this in the rain, boy. We was getting that little wobble in there, oh God. Boys, how long till I eat ass? It is so wet. Like, I'm getting drenched. I'm gonna have to wash all my shit after this. Bro, this rain is OD.
Yeah, I'm over it.
Yeah. Oh, it's too f***ing rainy, my boy. And I didn't put my sunglasses on. Bro, I hate the rain. Alright, boys, I'm ending the video here. It's pouring rain. I love y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'm gonna drop all the links right now. Make sure y'all drop a heart on this video if you want to keep seeing wheelie practice. The next one's hopefully in the drawer. I love y'all. Peace, love, and go crash your shit. And don't ride in the rain without eye gear. I love y'all. Peace, love, later. Fucked up in the club right now. Ski mask and a snub on me. For that job, I quit that shit and went and got another one. For that bitch, I went and